Thank you for joining the Shell STEM program once again. For this activity, we're going to use homemade materials to make this secret message. So what we're going to be doing is using a homemade acid-base indicator to reveal a secret message that's going to be written with a base. So this base would actually be baking soda. For a more in-depth video on acids and bases, feel free to check out our homemade acid-base video, which will be linked in the description box below. We're going to need baking soda, some water, some saffron or turmeric powder, cotton swabs, paper to write your secret message on, and of course a paintbrush. So you're going to start by dissolving about 1 tablespoon of baking soda in about a 1/4 cup of water. The measurements don't need to be precise for this activity. And you're going to do the same thing with the turmeric powder. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with about 1/4 cup of water. Now you're going to saturate your cotton swab in that baking soda and water, and then you're going to draw or write your secret message. I suggest using a sturdier paper so that the water doesn't destroy it. So you could go ahead and use that cotton swab to write your secret message. Let your paper dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you're going to paint on your turmeric or saffron indicator onto that secret message. So what is happening here is our indicator is reacting with the base, which was baking soda, and is creating that darker stain, which would actually reveal your secret message. And there we have it, our secret message that we made using our homemade turmeric indicator along with baking soda, which acted as our base. Now feel free to do as many secret messages as you like. You can even do some drawings and just have some fun with it.
Thanks for viewing, and thank you for joining our Shell STEM program powered by Negus. Now we'd love to get your feedback, guys, so we've attached a short survey in the description box below to get your feedback. We've also made online courses available on the Ministry of Education's website at learn.moe.gov.tt. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos because they're going to be coming, and stay connected to us on our social media profiles at Instagram and Facebook at Negus.